There are also another playbook that I would like to introduce. We call the 4 lens of the Enterprise AI Playbook. This is a viewpoint from the leader that can design, deploy, and scale the AI responsibly. The first one we call the system thinking lens. That means we see the end-to-end process in the company. So for example, we work from the workflow in the company and we identify the tasks within the workflow. Let's say we have the step 1 to 5 and then also see the data that flow from the step 1 to 5. After that, we see the independent between the step and also the alignment between the workflow that can we lean it, can we remove some of the step. After that, we see the system flow. We can replace which one that we're going to use AI in each step. And then we connect each flow within the real workflow and transform it to the agentic AI workflow. This is the first approach that we can do. The second approach that we can do is we add a layer we call the cognitive layers or the large language model operating system into the enterprise. That means is this a center brain for the company. For example, if you have the knowledge management in the company, you can upgrade that to be more uh, reasoning is more intelligence. It can connect about the document or even is understand the detail in the centralized knowledge and also include the consistency and explain abilities that you can control the knowledge within the company. So you add the knowledge layer within the company. So if you have this as a new operational system in the company, if you have any question or you have any problem, you can ask these layers, not only for the management, but everyone can ask to find the right answer within the consistency way. So this is the whole important layers that can help the people or in the company to be more productive and gain more competitive advantage. The next one we call human adaptation lens. This means that we upskill people and we reskill the people because in the company you have different kind of the readiness about the people. Some people they already ready to use AI, so we upskill or we give them the tools to become more AI enabled employees. However, there are some skills that we replace or there are tasks that been repaired from the AI. So we need to reskill them to do something else. But we not only to give the tool to them, but need to train them, adopt them to do it, and also give them the playground for them to experiment the new AI tool as well. Most importantly, we also need to focus on a continuous learning that someone can allow to do experiment the tools and that person need to come back and share the knowledge as well. So this is the approach that we can improve the responsible AI enterprise. Lastly, we can apply the governance and continuous learning into the company. So we not only to use only the compliance to control, but we continue to adapt the governance to match and to enable the innovations. So we give the principle to the company, for example, like privacy, security, or also fairness, or even any responsible rule, and then we put the cycle that everyone can try the small piece or the small project based on the principle, and we continue to measure, learn, and improve. This is not only that we get the use case that can impact to the company, but we also build the skill within the company as well. So this 4 lens has been 4 approach in the company. So it depends on the department or it depends on the readiness for your company that you can apply it. There's no one size fits all that you can use. Actually, there are more than 4 lenses, but this one is the most common lens that I would like to introduce in this session.